Sometimes the most shocking crimes don't come from strangers, they come from inside the family. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And the story that we're going to be talking and I'm going to be sharing with you today is very sensitive, very heartbreaking. So in May 2021, two women were gunned down in a rural Limpopo village while doing something ordinary, fetching water from their household. What followed was a case that would stun South Africa. Allegations of a murder for hire plot, a former police captain accused, and a daughter, a well-known actress, forced to confront the unthinkable. This is the true story of Amanda Manku, the murder of her mother and grandmother, and the alleged confession that changed everything. On May 4th, 2021, Gladys Manku, aged 45, and her mother, Lettie Maphothoma, aged 70, were walking home in a Makgophong Village, Zebedela, Limpopo, after collecting water. According to police reports, the two women were ambushed and shot dead, and they died at the scene. There was no robbery that explained the brutality, no random motive. Almost immediately, investigators suspected that the killings were planned. Gladys Manku was the wife of William Manku, a former South African police service captain. She was also the mother of Amanda Manku, a popular actress known for her role on Skeem Saam. For years, the case remained unresolved. In January 2024, nearly 3 years after the murders, police made a major breakthrough. 3 suspects were arrested. Number 1 being William Manku, the husband of Gladys and father of Amanda. Then David Khoza, alleged to be the hitman, and Nonhlanhla Ngubo, a service SAPS sergeant, and William Manku's romantic partner at the time. William Manku faced multiple serious charges, including 2 counts of murder, conspiracy to commit murder, attempted murder, robbery with aggravating circumstances, and defeating the ends of justice. Given the gravity of the charges, the state opposed bail, and William remained in custody. During bail proceedings, prosecutors revealed a stunning claim that William Manku had confessed to orchestrating the murders. According to testimony by the investigating officer, William allegedly admitted that he had hired hitmen to kill his mother-in-law, Lettie Maphothoma. He allegedly told police that he traveled from Gauteng to Limpopo with an intermediary. He pointed out Lettie's home. He then returned to Gauteng. After the shooting, he was allegedly informed that both women had been killed. The alleged hitman reportedly told him that Gladys was killed because she ran away and they feared she would alert the community. William Manku allegedly stated that Gladys was not the intended target, but prosecutors argue that her death was a foreseeable outcome of the plot. William has denied the allegations, claiming he was not innocent and that the confession was not voluntary. A major legal battle followed over whether the alleged confession could be used in court. In late 2025, the court ruled that the confession was admissible, finding no sufficient evidence that it had been obtained through force or coercion. This ruling became one of the most critical developments in the case, strengthening the state's argument against William Manku. In February 2026, Amanda Manku herself testified in court. Her testimony was emotional and deeply personal. She told the court that after her father's arrest, she confronted him directly and asked whether he was involved in the killings. And according to Amanda, her father initially avoided answering directly. When pressed, he said, "Well, I am here, am I not?" When she asked again if he was involved, he eventually answered yes, while stating that he did not kill them with his own hands. Amanda testified that this admission shattered her completely. She told the court that she said to him, "From that day, you no longer have a daughter in me." The defense disputes the interpretation of this conversation, but the testimony remains part of the official court record. As of now, William Manku maintains his innocence. The trial continues with the alleged confession admitted as evidence, witness testimony is ongoing, the state arguing a clear murder for hire conspiracy. The outcome will determine whether a former police officer will be convicted for allegedly orchestrating the murder of his own wife and mother-in-law. This case is not just about crime, it is about betrayal, power, and the devastating impact of violence inside a family. For Amanda Manku, the courtroom is not just a place of justice, but a place where a daughter must face the truth about her own father. And the trial continues. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and show some love.